In this video, I will show you how to use the long position within TradingView. Now, this is actually very easy and very useful to understand this. So, you just first need to open a chart, and if you want to, if you see a trade opportunity, it is always very useful to add a long position. So you can basically preview your stop loss, your entry, etc. You can determine it all using the long or short position. So in order to add a long position, go to the sidebar of your screen on the left side, and right here, open this. So on the projection, you see long short. So in this case, you want to tap on long. By the way, I do recommend you to tap on this star so you can access your start items very easily by using this bar right here, right? But for now, let's open this sidebar and tap on long position, and now you just tap where you want to place the long, so the long trade. So if you want to place the long position right there, for example, let's actually go to replay mode, and let's select a random bar. So let's say you see a trade opportunity and you want to buy right here. So you want to long, open a long right here on this level right here. So you can determine your stop loss, for example, earner is low. So you can do this by swiping this up. For example, put it over there. And your target, so what is your final target, what is your end target, for example, right here. And this right here, this line is your entry. So this is your entry price. If the price gets here, your trade will be filled, your trades will be opened, and when the price hits this, the top side, your trade will be closed, and when the price hits this line, your trade will be stopped out. All right. Of course, within your broker, you can add multiple take profits basically. So this way, you just add some risk, have some risk management, and you don't rely on one take profit, of course. So let's just play this replay, for example. Let's put it on 10x so it goes a bit faster. And as you can see, the trade got stopped out in this case, because as you can see here, it got filled. Right here it got filled. So if I would have sold right here, I would have made a bit of profit. But in this case, the trade got stopped out. If I took this trade, as you can see, and if I placed my entry right there and had my target right there, just like this, it would have been a very nice trade. But of course, this was not the case. So, for example, let's say you want to take this trade, you just double tap on this long position. You go to inputs, and here you can see all of the information you need to know. You can basically copy that to your broker. For example, the entry price, copy that and paste it into your broker where you want to place the trade. You see the price level like this, the profit level, and you see the stop level right there. So if you work with ticks, you can also copy that, and it's very easy to do so. Again, you can change this by holding down this. As you can see, it changes a bit. And right here, you can see your risk to reward. You can see a bit of other information, how big your stop loss is, for example, etc. So if you want to get started with TradingView Premium, and if you want to use the replay function and a lot of other tools, I recommend you to buy TradingView. I have a $15 discount for the link in the description down below. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.